This is lame. No,
We are having so much fun. Right, Pin?
There are no words in this universe that can describe how unamused I am.
What could be more fun than seesawing on the team captain's seesaw?
First of all, we both weigh like a quadrillion tons, so this isn't working. Second, this place stinks. And third, I just don't like you very much.
Now that's just plain rude. If you want my advice, you should consider being a bit more polite.
Hold that thought. Nope. Nuh-uh. I can't find it.
Can't find what?
Can't find where I asked.
I should really value my company. I am a former finalist.
Why do you say that like it's impressive? You're saying you got second, aka you lost. Which means you're a loser. You're a loser. La 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 loser. Loser. La 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 loser.
You got second to last.
You also stink like sewage.